so many of her films. Kiara, welcome to Kochi. So lovely to have you here. നല്ലൊരു കൈഡിയോടെ കിയാരയ്ക്ക് നിങ്ങളുടെ സ്നേഹം കാണിച്ചു കൊടുക്കൂ. Can we have the mic, please? Thank you. Kiara, what would you like to tell your wonderful audience here?
Good evening, Kochi. Happy Onam. I'm so excited that the day before our release, we have come to Kochi because the seed of Toxic was born in Kochi, where my director lives. So I'm so glad that we're coming back to her home turf just before we deliver our film to you all. So thank you all for being here. You've all come in such a loud, such a amazing crowd. So let's just have some fun. I'm not going to talk about the film, but I'm going to say one word. I'm going to say Toxic, and you'll say Tabahi.
Hurry up.
So I'll say Toxic, you say Tabahi, okay? Toxic! 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 So you're ready for tomorrow then?
Absolutely. They have all been waiting a while, Kiara. Eoru Cinemela, they have seen your brilliant performance, but there's so much more we can't wait to see because you've said yourself there is going to be a before Toxic and after Toxic for you. Why did you say that?
I think in life, there comes a point in your life where you feel like a particular part just changes the way you think, the way you see yourself, the way you see art. And I had the opportunity to feel this, all thanks to Geetu. So I feel it was more personal, that for me, I'll just be a different person, a different artist in my mind, the way I look at my work and what I want to do next. And I really hope, fingers crossed, that you all support us and love the work that we've done. I hope you enjoy the film and the experience that I think the best of the best all around India have come together to make for you.
And also you became a mum through the process as well within Toxic, so congratulations on that. Ladies and gentlemen, Kiara Kane plays Nadia. Nallaru Kaidikol Nalga. Male, we will see her live that character through Toxic. Next, I would like to welcome the wonderful Huma Qureshi to join us on stage. Toxicile Elizabeth in the Kathapatrathilana Huma Jeevan Nalgunna. Can we give her a loud round of applause when we welcome her, please? Welcome to Kochi, Huma. I know that the last few days you've been traveling across different cities promoting Toxic and its release. Now you're in the director's dice here. What would you like to tell all of her wonderful people here?
Hi, Kochi. Good evening. How are you all doing? It feels so good to be here, like Kiara said, just on the eve of our release and also on Onam. So I think it's really, really auspicious. So happy Onam to you all too. Happy Onam. Happy Onam. Happy Onam, guys.
You should say that in Malayalam.
Teach me.
എല്ലാവർക്കും
So slowly.
എല്ലാവർക്കും
എല്ലാവർക്കും
എൻ്റെ
എൻ്റെ
ഹൃദയം
ഹൃദയം
നിറഞ്ഞ
നിറഞ്ഞ
ഓണാശംസകൾ.
ഓണാശംസകൾ.
Woo! Well done. Very good you are.
I'll pick it up.
You're very, very good. Lovely. And now we've got yet another lovely actor who is a Kannada actor who probably got a wonderful opportunity of a lifetime being part of this great pan-Indian movie as one among these wonderful stars. Nallaru Kaidide, let's welcome Toxic and Melissa. Let's give it up for Rukmani Vasant, ladies and gentlemen. Rukmani, welcome to Cochin. And we would love to hear what you have to say about Toxic and your experience and about your director and the whole team, of course, about Rocky as well.
സുഖമാണ് കൊച്ചി എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട് For starters, എല്ലാവർക്കും ഓണാശംസകൾ. Thank you all so much for being here, for waiting for us. It's such a pleasure, like all the other ladies have said, to be here on the eve of our film's release and celebrate Toxic with all of you. Thank you for all your love for the film, and not much else to say. Please enjoy the film tomorrow. It's now yours, and we hope you love it as much as we have.
It's not just these three women here, Toxic and the Chitraila. We also have the lady superstar Nayanthara playing a wonderfully brilliant role. Raya, Ticket, രണ്ട് റോളിലാണ് യശ്രീ ഈ സിനിമയിൽ വരുന്നത്. അതിൽ അദ്ദേഹത്തിന്റെ സിസ്റ്റർ ആയിട്ടാണ് നയൻതാര എത്തുന്നത്. Can we give her also a loud round of applause for being part of this brilliant movie?